What would you do if a ransomware note demanded $500,000 from your business? In today's story, the dental clinic avoided that nightmare, and you can too. Let's walk through the incident, the actions taken, and the exact steps you can replicate. On March 12, 2024, Dr. Lee opened an email that looked like a routine appointment reminder. One click on a malicious link launched ransomware that immediately began encrypting patient records. Because the practice had already implemented 3 key safeguards, the attack was contained within minutes, and the damage was limited to a single workstation. First, regular. Backups were stored off-site in encrypted cloud storage. When the ransomware tried to encrypt those files, it hit read-only containers and failed. Second, the clinic used network segmentation. The infected workstation was isolated automatically by the firewall, preventing lateral movement to the central server where patient data lives. Third, an AI-powered threat intelligence feed was integrated with the Security Information and Event Management CM platform. The feed flagged the newly seen ransomware hash within seconds, prompting an automated response. The automated playbook executed 4 actions. 1. Quarantine the endpoint. 2. Terminate the malicious process. 3. Notify the IT admin. 4. Start an immediate restore from the latest backup. Because the backup was recent, only 3 hours old, and the data was intact, the clinic restored the affected workstation in under 30 minutes. No patient data was lost, and the practice avoided paying the ransom. In total, the incident cost the office less than $5,000 in labor and cloud storage fees, a 99% reduction compared with the headline demand. So, how can you replicate this success? Here are the several steps every dental practice should implement today. 1. Enable encrypted backups and test restores quarterly. 2. Segment critical systems, patient records, billing from workstations and internet-facing devices. 3. Deploy an endpoint detection and response EDR solution with auto-quarantine. 4. Integrate a CM to catch new ransomware families instantly. 5. Create an incident response playbook that automates quarantine, notification, and backup restore. Implementing these controls not only protects your patient's data, it also safeguards your practice's reputation and bottom line. Ready to see how your business stacks up? Get our ransomware risk checklist. This checklist helps SMB owners quickly evaluate their current security posture, identify vulnerabilities, and take the right steps to protect business-critical data. It contains 12 pages of detailed information about ransomware and what you can do to help secure your business and analyze your business posture for security. For a limited time, you can get this downloadable guide today for $197, valued at $397. If you found this walkthrough useful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more bite-sized security guides. Stay secure, stay compliant, and keep smiling.